Sri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 4th Subject Social.
Good morning to all. Welcome to online class. Today we are going to see about 4th chapter revision. India the Western Desert. Number 1. Answer the short questions. First question. What is the importance of an oasis in a desert? Tell me answer. Answer is there are no perennial rivers and very little or no rainfall in the desert. Sometimes an underground spring of water emerges on the surface and this makes water available in the dry area. This is called an oasis and small villages clustered around the oasis because water is so scarce here. Second, there is no perennial rivers and very little or no rainfall in the desert. Sometimes an underground spring of water emerges on the surface and this makes water available in the dry area. This is called an oasis and small villages clustered around the oasis because water is so scarce here. Okay, next second question. How is the camel a useful animal in the desert region? Answer. The camel is the most important animal in the desert because it can travel without food and water for days and it can walk on the loosey sand. It can carry heavy loads, pull carts and the plow. It provides milk and meat, its skin and hair provide leather and material for tents, crafts and carpets and cloth. Third question. How has the Indira Gandhi Canal changed the life of the people in the Western Desert region? Answer. The Indira Gandhi or Rajasthan Canal is the longest canal in the world. It draws water from the Chatlas River and directs it through the desert areas of Ganganagar, Bikaner and Jaisalmer. Due to the canal, water is now available for irrigation and farmers are growing wheat, maize, jowar, bajra and vegetables in this area. Okay, short answer 3 question, long answer 1 question. Okay, short answer la first question very important. Okay, now Roman 2 answer the big question. Why is the life of the people not comfortable in the desert area in India? Why is the life of the people not comfortable in the desert areas in the India? This question is very important. Okay, long answer la in the question important. Answer. The desert areas of India have a very harsh climate. It is very hot in summer and very cold in winter. With very little or no rainfall, there is hardly vegetation and farming can only be done in places where some water is available. The women in the desert have to walk long distances to fetch water. This makes the life of the people uncomfortable in the desert. Okay. Okay, next lesson 5. India the Southern Plateaus. Answer the short question. What is the location and extent of Central Highlands? Answer. The Central Highlands lying north of India range extend from the Aravalli range in the northwest to Bundelkhand, Chota Nagpur Plateau in Jharkhand and Odisha in the east. They include the Malwa Plateau, the Narmada and Dapti River and the Satpura range between the two rivers. Okay, next second question. Describe the location and extent of the Deccan Plateau. Answer. The Deccan Plateau extends from the Central Highland in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. The Western Ghats, also called the Jayatri Hills in Maharashtra and Karnataka, form its western boundary and they meet the Eastern Ghats at the Nilagiri Hills in Tamil Nadu. Okay, second question is very important. Deccan Plateau. Okay, next third question. Which languages are spoken in the different state of the southern plateaus? Answer. The languages spoken in the state of the southern plateaus are as follows. Madhya Pradesh Hindi, Chhattisgarh Hindi, Jharkhand Hindi, Odisha and Odia and Hindi, Maharashtra Marathi, Gongani, Gujarat Hindi and English. Okay, Karnataka Canada Hindi English, Andhra Pradesh Telangana Telugu Urdu English. Okay, Tamil Nadu Tamil and English. Okay, எந்தெந்த ஸ்டேட்டில் எந்த லாங்குவேஜ் எல்லாம் பேசுகிறாங்க. ஓகே, எந்தெந்த மொழியில் பேசுகிறாங்க. Okay, short answer 3 question, long answer 1 question. Answer the big question. Why is Mumbai called the gateway of India? Answer. Mumbai is called the gateway of India because yearly travel to distant countries was undertaken by ship. In 1911, the British King and Queen visited India and entered India through Mumbai Harbour. A memorial was erected in commemoration of this event near Mumbai Harbour where the king landed in India for the first time. The gateway commemorated the event and was named the Gateway of India. It was also the main entry point for the ship from west to come to India. Okay.